Well, welcome to the Port of Lisbon. If you're embarking here on Royal, the far right area back over there is where you would drop off your bags if you are Pinnacle Suites or have the key. If not, then you're going to come into this big line. You have to try and find heating in. So we planned on dropping our bags and then going to get some food. But by the time we get through this crazy line, it'll be our time to get in. Because there's, like, the entire cruise ship is here at one time. It's nuts. So the line goes down there, zigzags through, and goes down here. This is insane. Like, there's probably 2,000 people out here, and it's 12 o'clock. Well, we're about halfway through the line. I mean, if you can see it goes way down there and then hooks around. So we're about 250 feet from the building, and then zigzags in there too. So you probably got about another hour here. Muy bien. Well, we're at least under the building now. It has taken us 45 minutes to get here. The line is not getting any better at all. It is nuts. So we made it to the suite line, the Pinnacle line, and the key line. So if you're going to come to Lisbon, there is no line for key, so you might be worth your money to get the key. Well, we've got our bags dropped. Now we're just waiting in line to get on board. This has absolutely been the biggest cluster I've ever had on any cruise. Well, you got two huge ramps you got to climb up to get here. So if you have mobility issues, you should probably make sure that you secure a wheelchair ahead of time. And then that way you don't have to climb up here. Well, we finally cleared to get onto the ship. Had our passports checked 3 times. The last time took about 10 minutes to go through. And they wanted us to know where you came in, like everything. They're working on setting up the biometric data. It's there, it's just not working yet. But this has been the biggest poop emoji show of any cruise I've ever been on. I don't wish it on anybody. So we are 11 minutes short of 2 hours from the time we got here to the time we can walk to the ship. Hopefully you have better luck than we did this time.